Hello friends, welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. My name is Lydia, I'm your Russian language teacher, and in this lesson we are going to talk about the second group of Russian vowels, which we call diphthongs. Diphthongs are vowels which consist of two sounds. The first sound is y, and the second sound is a pure vowel. For example, y plus a will make the sound ya, ya, ya. Ya is the last letter of the Russian alphabet, and it also means I and me. For example, я Lydia, I'm Lydia. Ya, ya. So, y plus e will make the sound yeah, yeah, yeah. Y plus o will make the sound yo, yo, yo. Y plus u will make the sound you, you. Dear friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about learning Russian, please write them in the comments. And see you soon at our next Russian lesson.